Hey, it's Lance. Today we have the S21 Plus 5G. It's Samsung because I'm a Samsung lover. So Samsung, if you're watching this, sponsor me. I mean, if you want to. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. So first, let's remove the top. Then once you open it, there is a piece of paper. All it says here is just the Samsung concierge, and on the back it's just how to transfer data from your old phone to, of course, the new one. Next, inside the box, you already have ooh, ooh my god. Okay, I won't do that anymore. Next, we have the phone. So let's take this out. Oh, wow. It feels very premium. Before I get into the phone, like, you know, specs and stuff, let's see what else is inside the box. Lastly, inside the box, we have this kind of mini box. Remember not to forget that on the back of the box is actually the SIM ejector tool. The first thing inside this box, of course, is the paperwork. I'm not gonna read that because who really does? Next is the USB-C type charger. And from what I can see in the box, there is no plug. So you have to buy this separately, which is sad that it doesn't come with the phone anymore, but what can you do? That's all that's left inside the box. So now let's get into the phone. Let's peel off first the plastic on the phone. The color that I got for this phone is called Phantom Black. And as for the screen, it is 6.2 inches with a dynamic AMOLED display, and it is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It has an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, and it has a 4500 milliamp battery. For the chip, it has the Exynos 2100, and for the one that I got for this phone, it is 256 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And of course, it's 5G. So let's explore the phone. So on the right side, on the top is the volume rockers, and right below that is the power button. To unlock the phone, you can use, of course, the power button, but you can also use Face ID, and you can use the cool in-display fingerprint sensor. As for the cameras, there are a total of 4. One front camera that is 10 megapixels, and on the back is a triple camera setup. The first one is a 12 megapixel wide camera. The next one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and under that is the 64 megapixel telephoto lens. Here are some sample shots that I took. That's pretty much all I can say about the phone because, you know, I just got it. Anyway, that's it for the phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual stuff, and I'll see you next week. Peace.